Hi everyone, this is your Mithun. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you fun and creative project that has been taking the crafting world by storm, making resin keychain. Resin keychains are not only trendy but also makes fantastic gifts for friends and families. Let's see how can we make resin keychains. First and foremost, we need few materials to get started. Here we have part A and part B resin. Part A is resin and part B is hardener. And the main thing, silicone mold. Glitters for more attractive keychains. Weighing scale for measuring. Cup for mixing. And pigment color for coloring. Here we need to mix part A and part B hardener in the ratio of 2:1. For example, 100 grams of part A need to mix 50 grams of part B. After mixing these two, need to stir well for 3 minutes. Do not mix with high speed, that will allow air cause bubbles. Pour the material in leveled mold. Art resin is self-leveling product. It will start level on its own. Now it's time to curing. Keep the poured mixture in dust-free environment and let it set. In 12 hours, it will be touch dry and within 24 hours, it will be cured. Full curing takes place in 72 hours. Now it's time to demold. Wow, it's fully cured. Now we need to add chains for this. Now the keychains are ready. It's time to gift to our friends. Now I'm going to gift this keychain to my friend Geetika. Come Geetika. Wow, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow. Thank you, Mithun. Welcome, Geetika. Thank you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.